Alright guys, so welcome to my channel, and today is Miranda Weber's virtual crop. So I decided to do a little bit of a video today. I got a bit of a head start just because I don't want this to be super long for you guys, but it is a mixed media challenge. So I use some Stickles glitter gel in Mars because I'm really trying to use up some of my products so they don't dry up. So we've got that. I just used a palette knife. Took this frame. I'm using the Simple Vintage Cottage Fields collection. So I've took this photo of my dogs chillaxing on the couch. Maggie's actually trying to get up, but I got the photo snapped. We've got that popped, and then I drew just a black line. I do have some Stampin' Up! Markers here. And then took that with a palette knife and just kind of spread it out. So we have this very fun mixed media border on this paper here. And also, let's see. I need to make sure that I can if I cut too much, I'm not going to be able to do it, but I want, boom. All right. Well, let's try to use that too. Okay. I'm not going to cut. What I'm going to do is do this little fun technique. Okay. And we definitely want to not have that be like a harsh edge. So it's just going to sit like so, just to give it a little bit of something extra, right? Because mixed media can be all kinds of fun things. All right. So let's just go ahead and tear this, or not tear this, I'm going to cut this. And I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. I'm going to do one down there and I'll be right back. Sorry about that. I heard my husband coming in and I was like, he might say something that should not be filmed. So that's who he is. But anyway, so we've gone ahead and done that. I've actually done it down here as well. So you can see just a little bit different. Normally we do it just like this. But I went ahead and torn that edge as well. And then sealed it up. This is still a very wet. So we're just going to we're going to go through and pick out some of these items to, you know, be a part of what we got going on. So, oh, I even have sequins. What? Sometimes I forget. So I like that. No yellow. Oh, happy day. Just trying to see what else we have. Let's do a couple of the butterflies. Let's actually you don't need to go crazy overboard. Not that I don't have enough stuff here to ensure what's going on. I have no idea. Okay. I have so much stuff. This is why I've been trying to get some stuff completed. So I think we'll put a cluster over here, maybe one down here. So let's just try this out. Let's see what it looks like. Right. So we're just going to go ahead and like stick it right here. Well, what if we come in and I like that torn edge. That's my thing. So let's just make it real little. And we're just gonna stick it right there. And then we'll get this guy. I'm very close to the cuff on this. Like I was really trying to get that sealed. Okay, we'll put that one there. And that's good bases for our clusters. This guy is going to go there. And let's do a title of nap time. So let me go ahead and get the title on. I'm going to try to stick it right in there and build these clusters up a little bit, and then this is still drying, so I'm trying to be careful, but we will come back and add a little bit more mixed media because it's a mixed media challenge, you guys. Alright, so I got a little bit more. We've got 2 circles up here. I've got another circle here. I've put it there. I've put a little bit more there as well. So now we just I'm going to come in and just start beefing everything up as much as we can. We have all of these fun words. Circles is like the thing. So let's take this little guy. We got him there. This guy I want to pop up on some foam. So you guys having fun playing with the challenges? I am currently on a retreat, right? So I'm not even home to play along. I am in Wisconsin at a crop. It's my absolute favorite. So I'm going to try to, so I'm filming beforehand so I don't just give you guys a random old recipe, right? I'd like to actually give you something fun. So I'm just taking some foam, and I lost my train of thought in case you couldn't tell. So we got little butterflies in every area. I'm filming this, it is the 4th of July, so that's fun. I got the day off. So we got that. Come in with a puffy floral on that side. And we're good with that. Is there any chipboard pieces? My chipboard's always like just about to fall apart. Go ahead and get this. Come on. Let's go this way. All right, we have this little guy, which we're gonna tuck. Yep, you guys know how I do that. I am a stick it down or rip it up type of gal. All right. Then we've got, so I just went with nappy. Little nappy. That's actually what they're doing right now. Go ahead and put that one right there. And then the grateful. Because as you noticed, I'm almost out of paper of this collection, but not anything else. That's stuck there. And then let's do this guy. We're going to stick him right there. And let's just stick the little bird right here. Right there, that's all we need. Alright, so I do have some Heidi Swap Color Shine to go ahead and add on here as well. So, because my Color Shine doesn't get used all the time, it's going to settle real bad. It'll never spray again. So I do just go in and start mixing it up, and as you can see, I just kind of work because it's all settled at the bottom. That doesn't mean it's bad, that means it's settled, like anything, right? So you just get in and you just mix it up. So I have a stainless steel, very old letter opener, stainless steel, because it's not going to rust, so it won't contaminate any of my products. And then we're just going to come in and we are going to add a few. So, and this is, you know, Color Shine, so it's a little shimmery. So we're just going to get some bigger drops and then some small little splatters. Right in the cluster area. And as you can see, it is just going to soak right in, which is really cool. Okay. And then you guys, I just take rags, old t-shirts, whatever I can grab. And that's what I use to clean my mess up. So this is a fun, easy mixed media challenge today. So basically, let's play with our paste and our splatters and let's have some fun. Let's make sure that we start the project with, start your project. Ooh, that one is like Challenage City. So you want to start the product with mixed media and end the product with mixed media, right? That's going to have to be cleaned a little bit. And that is going to be a fun challenge. So I hope you guys have had fun playing along, doing all the fun things that we do for our challenges, living our best challenge life. I love the virtual crops. It's, you know, how you get to interact, learn to do some different techniques, play along, and just really have fun and dedicate a weekend to getting some scrappy done. All right. Do you ever notice that your best splatters are not on the page? Yeah, story of my life. All right, and those two colors that I used, the darker one was raspberry and the lighter one was a blush. Super old, but they still work. So we don't get rid of things, do we? No, we hold on to them. So that's gonna do it. Oh, well. I schmudged, but it's okay. That's going to do it, you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Don't forget to post your final products, and I will see you later on Miranda's website. Bye.